It's Connor with Honor. Today's our real estate update. Today's going to be the 22nd of April, 2024. And of course, I'm Connor with Honor, local agent here in Santa Clarita Valley. On the news right now, we have 350 total active listings and inventory here in Santa Clarita Valley. That's going to include single family residences, townhomes, condominiums. Highest drive in our current market for buyers out there. They're looking for those single family residences with at least 3 bedrooms. That's the highest part of the buyer drive. Right now, the buyers that are looking for condominiums and townhomes, a lot of them are settling for 2 bedroom models where 3 bedrooms aren't that much more, and that return's going to be that much better over time. Just something to consider if you're in that particular market. Right now, 350 active units, as I've said. Coming soon, listings 9, new listings 78. Price changes 53. As most of those are reductions from listing price, unfortunately. Back on market properties 22. That's properties that didn't make it all the way through escrow, so now they're back on the market. Sorry, it's tough. Active under market properties and pending 41 and 57. So we're over, almost over 100 properties, 57, 41. What is that? 898. 98 properties currently in escrow. Motor cop math, quick. Pendings 57. And that's 57 and 41. That was the 98. Closed 60. We had 60 properties actually sell in the last 5 days in Santa Clarita Valley. 7 days. Canceled 7, hold 11, withdrawn 2. Boom. That's been your quick real estate update. I wanted to talk about, though, what's happening here in the news. And we did have people talking about when you should be taking out your equity to pay credit cards. I did a show on that last week. Be wary, folks. If you have equity in your residence, there might be something better to use it for if you really got to use it. My dad used to give me an allowance when I was a kid. He'd give me $20 a month. And when it came that time to give me that money, he would hand me that $20 and he would say, "Now, Connor, you don't have to spend all of this today. You can save some of it for tomorrow." It was the same speech over and over again. And now I bring that to you. You don't got to spend it all right now. But the fact of the matter is just watch out for yourselves. And if you have equity in your residence and you got to spend it and you got to spend it all, it might not be best suited to pay off credit cards that were meant to be temporary debt. Now, if you're buried yourself real deep, I understand that. You might want to maybe go outside of yourself if you don't know a lot about finances and maybe talk to a local financial advisor and find out what the next steps are. Oh my gosh, just ask AI. Maybe they'll be able to give you some better free advice. But whatever that happens to be, if you're out there and people are telling you to do something, just pull back a little bit before you make the decision. Most decisions aren't going to be so time dependent that you're going to lose everything. All right, so that's that part of it. The other part was talking about sellers finally getting to the end of their rope. They are now ready to actually sell. Whereas before, of course, they were thinking about selling, but they're locked in at such a low interest rate, but they can't make a move without selling that residence. That's where the sellers have gotten to, according to a lot of the articles online. And I've seen that in our market as well. While our listings aren't increasing, the phone calls happen to be. So be wary. Make sure that you are getting good advice out there when it comes to real estate. And when you're ready, reach out. I am Connor with Honor. Thank you for watching for our daily real estate update. We'll be talking tomorrow, traveling around Santa Clarita Valley, crunching some numbers on the real estate data, making our sellers feel more comfortable and understand the market, and buyers know what they're getting into so they don't make these massive mistakes that end up costing buyers a lot. I'm here, I'm for you and with you and on your side. I'm Connor with Honor. Thank you for watching. Over and out.